I still have today, Thursday, Friday, and bye-bye Paris. So yeah, that is the only one thing that motivates me right now.
L'étape, c'est pour l'existence. Vite fait. Vite fait. On va envoyer les cartes plat. Demande un peu.
Just got off the dentist. And I'm on mom on I can't even talk. And I'm on my way to home. So I have to finish to learn the dance for my shooting, which is Thursday night, today, tomorrow, the day after. I still have 3 days to complete the dance, the practice. So yeah, right now it is 5 in the afternoon, so I'm going to start practice around 6, and then I'm going to start to pack my things, start to move my items, my clothes. I mean, I'm leaving this week, but I still didn't start to prepare anything, so I just have to start. I just have to find the motivation to do it. But yeah, I'm going to baptize for like 2 hours and then start to pack for 1 hour, and then hopefully I will go to bed around 10, 10:30. So yeah.
Not gonna fight your war. I'm gonna end it.
It's really close. I'm too bad. Does anyone know? I have nobody to hold my phone while I'm packing, so this is annoying. I have to do it myself. I need an assistant or someone that could help me with holding my phone. That is unacceptable. This is so stressful. I actually want to cry because this is like actually almost few and I have like a lot of things left that I didn't put into it, and I have another luggage, but this is so stressful because I thought I would be able to fulfill it with like just clothes, and I still have clothes in my wardrobe. So yeah, it is so stressful. I literally have my face. I literally have my ears that are whistling because I'm so tired. It's like almost midnight. I've been practicing for 1 hour. I mean, I'm not satisfied with the result, and this is stressful because I'm supposed to shoot this video in literally 2 days. Really sleepy right now. I need to sleep because I'm about to get up in 4 hours, in 3 hours actually, but I'm still here practicing. The dance is really not really difficult, but it's really, you know, there's a lot of details that I don't want to miss. I really want this to be like the sharper dance cover I've ever done. I want to sleep and I'm about to get up in 3 hours, and I have a crazy schedule for the next days. I was supposed to shoot this cover for a while now, a week ago, but I had to postpone my previous dance cover, so everything just stopped up. Now I'm running late on my schedule. This week was supposed to be a week like just me preparing my move. I think I'm going to do it like 3 times and then go to sleep. It's almost midnight. I'm so stupid. I'm looking for nothing. As you guys can see, so it's just a 6:30. I am so tired. I don't have voice anymore. I have a big day ahead. I cannot wait to go back to sleep. I'm heading to work right now, and then after I have places to go, I have things to do. We don't see me anymore. That is annoying. It's like I'm going to fall at any time. When I went to bed, it was like 12:30. So I literally had 3 hours of sleep. It's called 3 hours of sleep. I don't know why I'm still filming. Anyway. Finally time to lunch. I'm waiting for my burritos. I'm so hungry. I've been waiting for this the whole morning. I usually don't drink big sodas, but I am so sorry. I just came back home, and my day is not over yet. I'm going out later tonight. It's 4:30. I'm going out in about 3 hours. Just thinking. So I think I'm going to rest for like till 5. Then I'm going to practice for 1 hour, and then I will eat something. So I don't want to eat because I'm not like especially angry, but at the same time I don't want to buy something which is like fat. I don't want to be angry later and to just buy, fries or pizza, something like that. I think I'm going to cook now so the food can be ready when I'll be over with the practice, so I can be out at 7 o'clock. I hope I didn't put my finger in the microphone, in the speaker. Ever since the beginning of the video, I look a mess. I'm gonna try to be cute for tonight. I think I'm going near the Eiffel Tower or something like that tonight. I'm so tired. I want to sleep. Today is going to be a long day, especially when I postponed the meeting I had like yesterday night. I finally didn't go out. Actually, I want to think there are people behind. Anyway, I was saying, right now it is 6:30. Don't think I will be home today, but tomorrow at midnight. My neck is hurting me, so I have to be careful. Yesterday I practiced until 12:30. Oh no, I think I missed the bus. I literally had 3 hours of sleep like yesterday. But yeah, this is almost the end. I still have today, Thursday, Friday, and bye-bye Paris. So yeah, that is the only one thing that motivates me right now. 3 more days at my workplace. Cannot wait to leave. My last Wednesday until today is sugar. In the afternoon, I'm going to bakery. I went to order a baby cake, a vegan bakery, just for the last time, just to get some nuts. Music is too hot here. I cannot even speak. So I was saying, this afternoon I will go to the bakery. I went to order my birthday cake just to have some memories, just for the thing. Going to have tea, some pastries. I'm so excited. I hope they have macaroons. And tonight I'm going to Paris. This is why I don't eat lunch today, because I'm craving some sugar. So I had banana, I had coffee, I had cookies, and this afternoon I'm going to have a lot of pastries. So yeah, I'm really excited. It's 12:30, actually midnight, and I still haven't found my way back home. So, as I said, I was in Paris tonight in a beautiful rooftop. I went to the vegan bakery I told earlier, as you guys can see. Anyway, I'm so tired. So we're basically Thursday right now. I am walking, but I am a little bit scared. Cannot wait to leave this town. Thankfully, I was able to change my shift for tomorrow. I will have maybe 5 hours of sleep because I shoot the video today at night. So this is going to be a long day today too. So I want to practice before leaving my house later, before going to work. Scary road. Cannot wait to leave in here. So I see the lightning. How is it? I'm so sorry. Here we go again. Here we go again. The road is super long and this is scary at the same time. So it is midnight and I'm supposed to start to work in literally 6 hours. Oh, there's a car. Oh, there is a car just behind me. Anyway, so I'm supposed to start. I'm supposed to start to work. Please don't kidnap me. I'm supposed to start to work in 6 hours. And I haven't made it home yet. I hope I do. This car was super scary. So yeah, this is going to be my last day tomorrow. Finally. Super tired because I've been out yesterday night. It's been since maybe Monday or Tuesday that I had a real night of sleep. I just cannot wait to sleep like tomorrow night. I cannot wait to leave this town. This town is really scary. Anyway, I still haven't finished to pack my things. So tomorrow after work, I finish work in the afternoon, so I have an appointment to the physical therapist, I don't know. And then I have to go back to my home and prepare all my luggages because I'm moving on Saturday. So literally tomorrow, because we are already Friday. So now I'm going to walk super fast to reach my home, hopefully. See you again, maybe. Lol, I forgot to add, this is supposed to be the last time I hit this road at night still. This is so scary. I'm so tired. It's a long day, but tomorrow is a big day. But so excited at the same time. Anyway, thank you for following me through during my last week here in Paris. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and give a thumbs up to this video. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye.